Remember when everyone was into that one song, Baby Sharks? Now look, they aren't babies, but they are sharks.
Hello!
Welcome guys. What are your names and what are you guys teaching?
I'm Chad Landrum and I'm going to be the 6th grade science and social studies teacher at Clara Elementary. Go Sharks!
I'm Meaghan Steele. I'm going to be the reading interventionist at Clara Elementary. Woo!
What are you guys looking most forward to about teaching in APS?
I am most looking forward to just the excitement on kids' faces when they learn something, when the light bulb goes off and it's just like, wow, I never knew this before.
I love bringing the fun to learning and the energy, and then they reflect it back at you, and it's just great.
I was talking to Gateway High School and I asked them if we have anyone cool coming in this year. They told me they have a special delivery, Dean Joe.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
What's your name and where are you from?
My name's Edward Joseph. I'm the new dean at Gateway High School.
And what are you looking forward to the most of this upcoming school year?
Just becoming a part of this new community, being able to support the students and help build on something great that this administration has been working on for the last 4 years.
They say today's a gift. That's what they call the present. I'd say being APS is a pretty good present too. Hello, what is your name, where are you from, and where are you headed?
Hi, I'm Sarah. I am from Cheyenne, Wyoming, and I'm heading to Tollgate Elementary at APS.
What is your favorite thing about teaching?
My favorite thing about teaching is just seeing those light bulb moments with students and just building relationships with them and finding out who they are.